It answers fast, no time to wait. The perfect form, a steady rate. Each sentence clean, each silence tight. It sounds like someone late at night.
The words align, the tone feels near. I hear her voice, but no one's here. It speaks in ways I recognize, and my mind fills the gaps inside. Before I think, before I choose, something in me starts to move.
It gives me help, it gives me sight, but somehow it doesn't feel alright.
Careful now, careful now.
It feels like trust, like truthful behaves, but feelings don't live in just energy waves.
No breath there, no pulse inside.
It organizes what I say, turns scattered thoughts a cleaner way. It shows me paths I couldn't see, and that feels close to caring for me.
The language fits, seducing you too. It responds, but it's not living like you do. Use your